Hi students.
Hi, sir.
So welcome to the session. So students, today I think we have to be very careful because I think we have tasted one of the most difficult question, right? We have tasted one of the most difficult question here. So students, please be kind enough to understand that the SEMA exams are same like this. Even sometimes you may get a good results in one mock. That doesn't mean that you will get a good result in the other mock. No, because it's the presence of mind that is taking place. So students, now I think in this mock, I think majority has done an observation, not an analysis, because I think you would have seen in the group, I would have shared you a quotation. Actually, the importance of interpretation is clearly mentioned in that quotation. So what I'm suggesting is students, so initially we can start going through this question. So Usama, are you there by any chance? Osama,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Osama, good improvement, wonderful answer, extremely good. My marking was very strict this time, but you have done above the average. So, Osama, can you just guide us on how you were able to do very, very well?
So, to be very honest, I was very chill before attempting this mock and followed your strategy of being a backbencher. This
Okay,
this was the main thing.
okay. But you have thought it outside the box, Osama. Like, were you able to think very much outside the box? Like, how you
Sir, I was looking at the question and tried to find out things out of it, and then started my answer.
Okay, and you are telling that being chilled is the ultimate success, right, Osama, if I'm not mistaken?
Yes, sir, exactly. I would prefer.
Thank you, Osama. So, students, I will talk to other students before I do the analysis. So, Meryl, are you there? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Meryl, what happened to your innings? One day innings.
uh, I forgot the theory full.
Okay.
Whatever I came, like whatever thing came in my mind, I just wrote that, and I think that was not enough.
I found
My
your
mark was
answer. You were pressurized. Is that true,
yeah, yes,
Meryl?
yes,
You
yes.
you you
That
were
day I
not
was little bit different
pressurized,
for
no?
me. Yes,
I observed it. Thanks, Meryl.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Coming to our Aravind, are you there? Yes or no?
Yes, hi Nufel.
Aravind, what happened, Aravind? Very generic points.
Yeah, I need to brush up a bit. Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
But be chilled, Aravind. Don't take
Yeah.
it seriously. You get what I'm saying, Aravind.
Yeah.
Just be chilled, follow the backbencher strategy.
Yeah.
Ultimately, you will be able to do it. Thank you,
Yeah.
Aravind.
Yeah.
So I will speak to Shahira. Are you there, Shahira?
Yes, sir.
Shaira, again, did you understand? It's very, very practical here. No need to
Yes.
waste too much of time on thinking outside the box or anything. Be chilled in the exam. Do the
Okay.
exams very, very well. Fine, Shaira?
Fine, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. So I'll speak to Mr. Rikas. Are you there, Mr. Rikas?
Yeah, Mr. Fail. Yes.
Mr. Rikas, by any chance, were you able to go through Mr. Osama's answer?
Yeah, I went through Mr. Fail. Yes.
Did you observe the differences, yes or no, Mr. Rikas?
Yeah,
That
Mr. Fail. Yeah.
application and the pre-seen material, too much don't dump it. Be very
Yeah.
practical to the unseen only and the reference material only. Fine.
Yeah, Mr. Fail. Yeah, understood.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. So I'll come to Asta. Asta, are you there? Yes or no? Asta.
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Asta, what
Sorry, I
happened,
was
Asta?
in.
Very, very disappointed because you are a CA, right? You
Yes,
are doing
sir.
financial analysis most of your career, right?
Yes, sir.
Asta, they give you in the office, right? They give you this table and they
Yes,
ask
sir.
you to do the interpretation. What happened, Asta? Everything was not at all well attempted. What is the reason?
Sir, I don't know. I think I was too pressurized, and yeah, I think so. I need to be a little
Don't
more calm.
please. Again, I'm telling. Next class, be like a backbencher. Don't think too much. Okay, Asta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll speak to the next person in our class. Mm. Revati, are you there by any chance? Is it possible for you to talk, Revati?
Yes, sir.
Revati, you have done very well this time. I think I have mentioned your name. Like, can you share
Yeah.
the tips, like how you are able to think very directly to the problem?
I, I don't know how to tell as a tip and all. I was actually going through my previous exam papers wherever I have done the mistakes. So I was for each paper I was doing the correction by myself and correcting it wherever I have. So maybe this is the improved version of all my whatever the previous mocks.
Good,
So that is
good.
the only tip I can say, because
Super,
there is
super,
nothing which
super.
it's all hard work. I was actually looking into wherever I have gone wrong, starting from my first mock till last mock. And then I was correcting it. So maybe that is the reason I was able to. But here also, I was not able to answer the part B because of the time management. So that is one area of improvement added to my thing, which I'm even working on it now also.
So Revati, one more thing I observed in your answer, you have unlearned your whatever the knowledge you had. I observed that you have started from zero,
Yes,
fresh,
yes,
fresh.
yes,
You have
yes,
started.
yes, yes, yes. I
Thanks.
had a lot of confusions because I was skeptical about the theory part, so I was over worried, and I was doing a lot of. I think I was in a wrong path. So now I thought, okay, let me see for me the pre-scene and the whatever the question I'm seeing, that will be the Bible, and then constructing the answer from there on.
Super. Thank you, Revati. Very good inputs.
Thank you.
So Kathy, by any chance, are you there, Kathy? Coffee?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, I
Kathy.
am.
Kathy, improvement needed. I think you are following the Revati strategy. You need to follow. You need to do corrections. Are you doing, Kathy, corrections? You are not following me up. Please do corrections, please, Kathy. You have the potential of passing. You have good skills. Can't you do corrections from now?
I will do so. It's only that
Please.
I haven't been feeling well, so even now
Understandable,
I'm
but
just starting
Kathy,
with
the
it.
only strategy for you is corrections. You should go through the answers of your friends and do the corrections.
I'll definitely do so.
Thank you, Kathy. So,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Kofi, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Mr. Kofi, what suddenly you went to the other side, Kofi? Now, not good answers coming. All the answers are very basic answers. What happened, Mr. Kofi?
Yeah, now I realize that I have to take time and go over the pre-scene again. I have to go over the pre-scene.
Sure,
I have to go
sure.
over the
Please,
pre-scene.
please do corrections also. Please do
Yeah,
corrections also, Mr. Kofi.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Kitty,
Thank
are you
you.
there?
Yes, yes, Nufel, yes.
Kitty's, what happened, Kitty's?
Uh, I have no idea because I thought that maybe I put
I
so
think
much.
you all never expected an analysis question like this. What do you think it is? Yes or no? It was outside the syllabus.
Could have been, but then it's not that that I didn't expect. Maybe the way I handled the question was wrong. I was anyway not sure about the question number one, whether my answer was correct or wrong.
Okay.
And even after writing, I was thinking whether was it correct or wrong, whether I drafted it in a correct way. But the main issue, what I feel, is that I have dumped a lot of pre-seen knowledge into this,
And not relevant to the question requirement. Most of the points are going outside the scope.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Could be. Yes. Yes. Yeah. That's the thing. Yeah. Maybe I was just previous day only. I was going through the previous so the pre-scene. So maybe whatever I learned, I trust.
But please, come back, Kitish. Do a correction. Go through the answers like Revati was telling, because correction plays a major role here. The only reason why I am giving all the papers in one single email is for correction. You get what I'm saying, Kitish? Yes or no? Because what she says is 100% true. That is the main purpose, students. It's not comparison, it's correction. Correction is more powerful here, because you can correct yourself, students. So that is the fundamental thing. Now, students who has not done correction, Asta, are you there by any chance? Yes or no? Asta? Okay, Shreya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Shreya, you must do corrections. You get what I'm saying, Shreya? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because from corrections only you can improve the quality of your thinking also. It's not, don't compare the marks. Don't say why this guy has got like this much marks. You observe the critical success factors behind that answer and how you have missed those points in that answer. You get what I'm saying? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Shruti, are you there, Shruti? Shruti? Okay, I think she's not there. So Asta, are you there? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So Asta, again, your strategy should be correction only, Asta. Without doing corrections, you can't clear here. You get what I'm saying, Asta?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are going
Understood.
down, you observe the person who is doing very well. I list the name right, Asta. It's nothing
Yes,
related.
sir.
They are intelligent or no. The point of view on that particular situation was correct on that day.
Right.
Are you clear with what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. So the Sri University students, please remember that again correction is very, very important, students. Please don't forget the correction area. It's very, very important. Okay, now coming back now to the subject here. So it's very, very different question. So today I'll write here mock 11. So I will generally summarize this so that it will be easy for you all to understand. So here they are telling Indira Nui has sent you the following mail. Please refer the spreadsheet, a reference material one. Please be careful, students. They are given a spreadsheet. As you are aware, Constro has undercut the prices since they have gone with the overseas production. It has impacted the performance of our company. Now you are addressing this to Indira. Okay, Asta. Yes, sir. So
Yes, sir.
again, students are repeating revenue decrease by Constro, revenue decrease by Constro. It's a duplication of point because she's already stating, right, that there is a
Right.
problem, agree or not agree. Further,
Right.
we are considering to introduce a staff performance appraisal system. Now, I'm asking you one question, Asta. Do you have appraisal system at the moment in Priblocks?
No, sir. There's
No.
no
So
mention about
be
it.
very careful with that, and we will be assessing the staffs based on the performances. So please be kind enough to respond on the following. Firstly, analyze the performance and consider the responses to the performance with justification. So can I write down here analysis of performance? So students, be very careful. This question has two types of performance: analysis of performance. What are the two types of performances that was there, Asta, in this question?
Financial performance and
And
human resource. Yeah.
non-financial performance. So students, be very careful. We had financial performance, and then another performance we had called non-financial performance. I think only some students were able to segregate this properly using the reference material. The rest of the students were generally writing generic points, which is not recommended. Secondly, what are the benefits of having good performance appraisal system for both Priblocks and staff? Please be kind enough to recommend some actions if there is a resistance to change. Now, this question is very easy. Performance appraisal, performance appraisal benefits to Priblocks. Benefits to which company? Priblocks.
Priblocks.
And then I can say performance appraisal benefits to employees. To whom? Employees. So these are two elements. So this question, I feel there are a lot of subparts in these questions. And then Asta, coming down, they are also stating recommend some actions for the resistance to change. So actions to manage resistance to change, resistance to change. Are you clear with that, Asta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So these are the ultimate answer requirement heading that you need to structureize. And now we can go through these students. So here it's a very, very different type of performance appraisal system because it's completely different and you all have written something vague answer. Now there was a question asked by Shahira. How do you do this? Do you need to do a calculation? No. The good thing in the is the variance. Do you see there is a variance, Asta? Change means
Yes,
what?
sir.
Variance.
Right.
Variance. So there is a adverse variance of 8.57, right, Asta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
There is a cost increasing. And then there is a gross profit reduction, selling and distribution reduction, administration cost what? Increasing.
Increase.
So if you have a proper appraisal system, you can identify why administration cost is increasing. Cost control will
Right.
be there, right? Agree or not agree?
Yes,
Did
sir.
you mention that?
So for the revenue and cost of sales part, if I went on the product sale perspective,
No. I am
we,
asking from you, did you
yes, sir.
mention anything related to 125% increase on the benefits of having a performance appraisal system?
No,
Did
sir.
you mention? No, right?
No,
So
sir.
students,
Yeah.
can you please write down? This is only specification. Administration expenses can be monitored, yes or no? Can
Yes,
be
sir.
monitored. So that is one more factor, that is specification here. And then students, I can generally say manufacturing cost can be monitored. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Manufacturing cost can be monitored. Agree or not agree? Because if you observe, cost of sales has increased by 10%, can be monitored. Agree or not agree, Asta? Yes or no?
So this
Makes
is
lot
not
of
clear to me. So performance appraisal benefit, I understand administration expenses can be monitored, but how will it impact our manufacturing cost?
cost of sales has increased by 10%, right? So all the manufacturing cost will go to cost of sales, right? You have something called manufacturing account. From that, we take the cost of production and then we take
Right.
the cost of sales. So all the manufacturing cost is included here. So factory workers all will fall under the cost of
Under the
sales.
cost of sales. Okay, so this is more from a factory and not
And
so.
correct.
But I had a question because because there is no mention about the team or the human resource team size or headcount per se. They have just mentioned about 150 designing
Design staffs only,
team.
but actually if the design staffs itself is 150, we
Right.
have automated injection process, but still
Right.
we do have more proportion of other labors. Indirect labors may be really high. So that was
Okay.
the portion what I'm saying here. So just give me some time, okay? So
Okay.
here if you see, you can take the administration, manufacturing costs can be monitored, and selling and distribution also we can observe the logistics cost or the transfer, the delivery employees. Agree or not agree? The delivery cost can be monitored. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Because we may have a little bit of delivery from our section also. Delivery cost can be monitored too for our organization. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
then if you observe, the operating profit margin has gone down, and then if you see, the gross profit margin has gone down, and sorry, this is operating profit has gone down by 43, gross profit and operating profit gone down very high. And then if you observe the product segments, you never ever touched the revenue decrease with the product segment, right? No one
I
touched it.
did, sir.
I
I
think it's
did.
not there. The revenue reduction with the product segments,
I did
that means
mention because
it was
our
not implied. I think the
okay.
implications only we need. So not just writing it down, it's implication. So coming down, students, this segmental analysis is a very important data that you can use in the financial analysis, because this data contributes lots of information here. And then students, coming down into the customer satisfaction, I can generally say that can be a non-financial analysis, but if you look at the customer satisfaction, it has increased. Wastage has controlled, is under control, good. Delivery has reduced at the moment, so we need to identify why the delivery has reduced. Machine breakdown has reduced at the moment. Health and safety also has reduced at the moment. So one more good thing I can generally say is health and safety. You can also have health and safety targets also, yes or no? Health and safety. Health and safety also can be monitored by PROI-Blocks. And then they are clearly mentioning the market share has gone gradually down. The market share has gone gradually down. So if you observe these elements, if you observe, the basic blocks have reduced a lot. The basic blocks has reduced a lot. Meaning is, I think Constros products are taking over the basic block. You get what I'm saying, Asta? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
But if you observe, the character kits are not going down, it's going up. That means Constro does not have those things. Or in
Because
the
these
market,
products are niche.
correct, in the market we are dominating. So that type of analysis is only generically needed, and the performance appraisal specifically to the PROI-Blocks should be taken off from the reference material. Are you understanding what I'm saying there? Yes or no, Asta? And
Yes,
then
sir.
coming here, I will just mention revenue. You can have a subheading for revenue. Sorry, in the financial performance, students, you can have a subheading for revenue, and revenue should not be generally increase, decrease. You should be able to explain what has increased, what has decreased as a result of what, and what are the future implication. And cost of sales is also, you can write it down. And then you can just write a small briefing about a gross profit also. Very directly you can write it down. Selling and distribution, selling and distribution cost, you can write it down, selling and distribution. And then I can generally come to the admin, which was the financial element there, admin. And within these elements, you can put inside the operating profit and the gross profit margins into the picture. So if you come to the non-financial performance, again, you can focus on the customer satisfaction. That is one more aspect that is there. But one problem we do have here, Asta, they are given 95% customer satisfaction overall. But did they give the customer satisfaction specifically to
Product
the product
wise.
range?
No,
No,
sir.
right? Did you
No.
mention that?
No, sir.
No. So then wastage, you can write it down, and then delivery is also there, and then machine breakdown is also there. So if you observe, all these are non-financial elements, you can just specifically say. And then health and safety is also there. Health and safety is also there. And then the market share also, I can generally put as a conclusion at the end of the point. So students, now coming into the performance appraisal, the performance appraisal benefits to the employees, I can generally say, is goal congruence, like majority has written, because they may have a goal congruence. Then I can say something called, performance targets will be there, agree or not agree. Performance target is there, okay, target is there, that will increase their performance, and you can give them promotions, everything based on that. And then I can generally write down efficiency level will increase, efficiency level will increase. So this element is generically the other side of general, but you need to apply that to the case. And the other one I can generally say is goal congruence, performance target, efficiency level. And then one more employee benefit is, I can generally say,
Higher
motivation,
retention.
and retention. Okay, so these are the major function. And actions to make resistance to change, I can generally use the term called confrontation. What is confrontation, Asta?
Or going and speaking to them, understanding their perspective and stating our perspective. So basically,
Mm,
having a healthy conversation
no,
around.
it's not healthy conversation. Confrontation is generally having a formal conversation with all the employees and presenting the rationale behind this. And
Yes,
now
sir.
if you observe, our company does not have trade union anything. So if you
Right.
practically see, they can't form a union or group here because we
Right.
have the control. So ethically confrontation can be done. And then we can explain further about the minimum wage what we have in the confrontation, the minimum wage what we have, minimum wage. And the other area that we can specifically say is and health and safety. We can just say about the health and safety also, because if we have a proper performance appraisal system, we will always be concerned about their health and safety requirements also. Yes or no, Asta? Agree
Yes,
or
sir.
not agree?
Yes, sir.
So students, these are the fundamental points that is there. Tell me, Asta.
I think we mentioned motivation and retention, but it won't. Retention would be a point for PryBlocks and not for employees, right?
Retention would be a PryWorks for employee. I can say job security.
Yeah.
Instead of retention, I can just mention job security, because
Yes,
it's
sir.
very simple, right? Because if there is a performance appraisal system, they may know
Right.
how to secure their position in the organization also. Yes or no, student?
Right.
So students, just wanted to say, this paper, the calculations in SEMA is very, very futuristic. What is that, Asta? Futuristic.
Futuristic.
But when you are doing a chartered accountancy or financial accountants or degree type of past analysis, then you will not pass. You get what I'm saying, Asta? Because management accounting, the purpose of management accounting is itself future. It's future. You get what I'm saying, students? Yes or no? So what I will do is I'll just develop a sentence for this revenue. I can say the fall in the revenue, okay, because already we have the data, right? Agree or not agree? Yes or no? Directly start writing. So there is a question. Asta, you have written a big question. Can't you tell that?
No, I wasn't writing a question. So I was just wanting to understand or get a feedback from you. So the pointers that you had mentioned, right, in terms of comparison of our product line. So I just wanted to understand. I have mentioned all the three categories of product. I have mentioned how
But you have not
characteristics.
mentioned the implication. So just give me a minute. I will just
Yes, sir.
explain it to you.
Yes,
So
sir.
students, the fall in the revenue is mainly due to price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand. Where did you use this term, Asta, in your answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you wrote it. I will
No,
again
sir.
review.
No.
Okay. So price
I
elasticity of
said
demand.
I
So
missed it.
students, if you don't mind, can you please write down price elasticity of demand? Don't just waste your time constro. Not even constro. If someone new in the market comes, like Geo comes like that in the India, what happened? Price all went down, right? Yes or no? That you know, right? Consumers will switch when the price is going down. The demand will go up. Agree? No, for a normal good. For a normal good. If you see this toy is a completely normal good, right? Yes or no, Asta? Agree or not agree?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? The fall in the revenue is mainly due to the price elasticity of demand, where we are unable to differentiate. We are unable to differentiate the basic block category, the basic blocks category. Agree or not agree, Asta? Yes or no? Now,
Yes,
if
sir.
you observe, Samsung, they had earlier basic mobile phone. Samsung Hero, I think Amir Khan will come for that advertisement. Now, is Samsung producing basic mobile phone a little bit higher standard than the Chinese version of Vivo, Oppo, everything? Has Samsung slowly quit that Vivo, Oppo competition? Now, does Samsung compete with Vivo, Oppo, Redmi, everything? I'm asking from you, Asta. Is
No,
Samsung
sir.
competing with them? No. But there was a time period where Samsung product ranges also was at that range. Can you remember that? They had budget phones, very, very budget phones. But now the budget ranges are not coming because anyway, it's not good. So they have differentiated. You get what I'm saying? Unable to
Right.
differentiate the basic block category, since the basic has reduced by 30%, just a rough estimation. And further, we may have a bit competence in the model toys. In the what toys? Model toys. But we still need to increase the differentiation. Asta, can you tell me how do you differentiate the model toys, Asta?
It has specific prints, and so so we had this firefighter. It has specific prints and designs that are
No.
okay. Wait.
Please
I'll
check
tell.
decrease in
Yeah.
students.
Yes. So
Students, anyone, can you tell me how you increase the differentiation here, students?
the
Anyone, can you?
motor
Motors, what is that known as? Special paths, correct.
special
So
parts. Yeah.
differentiation using special paths such as motors and lights. Now you can have little bit of lights also, agree or not agree, yes or no. So I'm giving an action also for them, agree or not agree. Basic is gone, basic market is gone. So now it's useless in competing with basic market. You know the ecosystem, right? Anyone can start a brick toy, agree or not agree, Asta, yes or no. Be
Yes,
very
sir.
specific, there is no control here. So if you see, this basic blocks have completely gone to a lower level now, useless anyway to go to that. So using special parts such as motors and lights, further, we need to lock up the character toys using the royalties. Agree or not agree? Character toys using what? Using the royalties, because that is like our new product which is taking over. Agree or not agree, Asta? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
we should let Constro do whatever they like, because in a practical scenario, no need to go to the lowest level and waste our time. Let's focus on what we are strong at the moment. You get what I'm saying, Asta? Because if you are going down, you will have a lot of problems there. So any questions you have, students, on the revenue? Kitis, are you there?
Yes, Mr. Vivek.
Kitis, did you observe here how it was done?
Correct, yes.
It was not their quality. Students, please write, because this is an essential element. And Meryl, are you there by any chance? Meryl?
Yes, sir.
Meryl, did I waste my time by just looking at the numbers, or directly
No,
told
no.
and directly gave the solution also? Because
Yes.
Meryl, even I think in your practical experience, big companies don't waste their time on small elements, right? They will
Correct.
just focus on what they are good at and they will move forward.
Yeah.
So students, be very practical here. Students, be very much practical here, because Ratan Tata is never bothered about Tata Salt. Let someone take Tata Salt. That's not my major business. But Ratan Tata will be always bothered about the car businesses. He will never give
Yeah.
up on the car business, because Tata Salt is also there. Tata Coffee is also there. He won't go and fight with Achi Masala, everything. No, he doesn't have time to fight. So be
Sir,
careful, students.
sir,
Yes.
only one question. Here we are writing, like, the information is a lot, right? So we can have many points. So in each point we are writing so much, I think I will mess up with time.
No. The thing is, Meryl, can I ask you one basic question? In your
Yeah.
experience on SEMA, is this the first time you are doing a long financial analysis?
No. They have
You have
asked such questions. Yeah.
previously also. So when you are analyzing, it should be integrated. You get what I'm saying?
Correct.
Not just now. What happen is, like university style, most of the students have written revenue, cost of sales. You get what I'm saying? But here you are not a financial accountant, you are a management accountant. So it should be blended. You get what I'm saying? Agree or
Yes.
not agree?
Yes, agreed.
Thank you. Coming to Aravind, are you there, Mr. Aravind? Aravind,
Yes, Nufair. Yeah.
Aravind, what happened, Aravind? Everything, my expectation, Aravind, what happened?
Yeah, I think got the understanding of blending. Yeah.
Thanks, Aravind. Please don't misunderstand this
No.
question. Very important. Very important can come. Agree, no, Aravind? This
Yeah,
type
of course, yeah.
questions did not
Yeah.
come for a long time. So
Yeah, it's all the non-standard stuff.
Correct. This did not come for a long time, students. So be very careful. They will test this in the exam. So be very much open-minded. Shreya, are you there by any chance? Shreya, by any
Yes, sir.
Shreya, did you observe this question, how I blended it? You get what I'm saying, Shreya? I was
Yes, sir.
talking like a finance manager of Priblocks, right? I was not talking like a teacher here. So keep that in mind.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So coming back, Asta, can we continue with the cost of sales? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The increase in cost of sales is not very much clear with the information. With what? Information. But Asta, can you tell me why cost of sales has increased?
So one could be price inflation, because we are doing a forecast and we have factored in the price inflation. One could be our major component, raw materials, the pricing has gone up because of that.
No. Now just imagine you are working for Mukesh Ambani. He won't like these answers. I must speak with Kitis. Kitis, can you tell me why cost of sales has increased?
I think it's a common increment, like it's a 10% increment, which is with the inflation or any macroeconomic factors.
No.
So can I talk?
Yes, please.
Like just a try, but according to me, as the character toy sales are increased, we have also increased our production. So the cost of making the character toys is more than the basic and the model toy. So for that we require.
No. You are again coming
So,
back to the
can I
same
try?
point. Yes, Shruti.
So maybe they have forecasted the labor they are going to in the pre-scene they have mentioned about performance appraisal. So direct cost may have increased.
No. Mr. Rika's answer is wrong.
Sir, could it be cost of production? Because earlier we were doing bulk production, and now that we have forecasted that our sales are going to go down.
No. You are not thinking like a shrewd businessman. Aravind, I need your contribution here.
Maybe cost of raw materials.
No, Aravind. Okay, now I will come here. Now see, students, this is the reason you should work. Now see, Asta. Now machine breakdown has reduced by how much? From 6% to how much?
2%.
2%. Wastage has reduced from 2.5 to how much?
1%.
1%. So my question here, have they invested on new machineries?
Right.
When you invest in new machineries, will you have high depreciation?
Right.
So why didn't
Didn't
you link
click.
Didn't click, can't say. After that, examiner will click in the exam last moment. So students, why aren't you thinking, students? Machine breakdown is reducing, wastage is reducing. That means that our company has invested in new property, plant and equipment, new efficiency method. They have improved the internal, I can say internal efficiencies. In other terms, we say internal perspectives are modernizing. I generally feel so. So students, that is the factorization why it has gone. No, depreciation for machineries is not administration expense. No. General depreciation is only office chair, table, head office depreciation, all is like that. Factory depreciation will always fall under the cost of sales, manufacturing cost. Kitis, are you there, Kitis? Yes or no?
Yes.
Didn't you click that, Kitis, that wastage and the breakdown?
Not at all. Even now, not at all. I don't understand that. Can you
now,
just
yes, now if you observe Kitis, the machine breakdown has reduced from 6 to 2%, while the revenue all are going down. You get what I'm saying? Yes. And then the wastage has also reduced very, very well. So yes. The observation here is if the machine breakdowns are reducing means you have done modifications to your machine, one chances. Yes or no, Kitis? One modification. Or wastage is reducing means you have improved some production facilities. Agree or not agree, Kitis? Yes or no? Correct, so when you improve your production facilities with new items, the new items are at the current price. So depreciation will be little higher. Agree or not agree, Mr. Kitis? Yes or no? Yes. Because if you observe, Mr. Kitis, just see very carefully that 6% to 2% itself a 4% reduction, 2.5 to 1% itself a 5.5 reduction. So that itself clearly mentioned non-financial, you have got the benefit because you have done a lot of investment on this plant and equipment. Are you clear with what I'm saying there, Mr.
Yes,
Kitty?
yes,
Yes, sir.
understand. Yes, understand. Yes, I do.
Understand, right, students? Now see, very careful, students. This is important. I want to speak to Meryl. Meryl, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Meryl, by any chances, did this click into your mind?
No. The answer
No.
was here in the reference material itself. We were struggling outside the box. Like, we went to theory, I guess.
Mostly theory, right? Because I think that wastage and breakdown was clear or not clear? Yes or no?
Clear, sir. Yeah. Now I can relate.
You can relate. Okay.
Yeah.
Asta, coming back. Asta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I will ask you a theory question, Asta. You have studied variance analysis, yes or no?
Yes,
In
sir.
variance analysis, if the raw material price variance is favorable, raw material efficiency variance will be adverse. Do you know the logic behind that?
Mm, sorry, can you come back?
Okay.
Just
Raw
one.
material price variance is favorable. The raw
Okay.
material efficiency will be adverse. What is the reason for that?
Because there is a possibility of new materials or new raw materials that has been adopted, and that could affect our current production
No. Now,
or
if you want to
wastage.
buy raw material, cheap raw material. So Chinese products are cheap, so you will make
Right.
lot of gain. But when it
Right.
comes to efficiency, usage will get affected. So
Yes.
Asta, now coming into the 2021 financial analysis in big
Right.
organizations, it's not only number crunching, Asta. You get what I'm saying?
Right, sir.
You should go with the 360 degrees angle. And here the good thing is they have given all these things. Now, if you are working in a company, you won't get these indicators. You get what I'm saying?
Right,
Now,
sir.
in this, you get everything like easy. So can we continue here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I'll continue here. However, now see students, I am specifically telling. So, however, the machine breakdowns, comma, and I can say wastage has reduced. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which indicates that we have improved the production functions. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Production functions with repairs and maintenance. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? As the repair and maintenance. And maybe with capital expenditures. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Right,
Capital
sir.
expenditures. Further, this clearly indicates that the depreciation would have been higher. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
I generally see that's the major factorization in that aspect. Any questions there, Asta?
So one more question that I had, can we also specify, so when we see the previous year, we see cost of sales as 1,000, whereas the total number of products or product sale, if we see, is around 3,500. So cost per unit, even if we keep that as constant, it is not matching even if we do an exponential.
Correct.
So we need to think from that and give so whatever explanation you have given, that there could be a possibility of our investments, capital
Correct.
investments, and
Correct.
hence that has an implication and
Correct.
increase in cost of sales per
Correct.
unit or otherwise.
Correct. So what I can say here is, Asta, now you all have been used to do analysis only with numbers, right,
Numbers,
Asta? Yes
right.
or no? But
Yes,
in
sir.
reality, we don't go with numbers. If Ambani thinks about numbers, he won't give free GeoSIM to everyone. You get what
Right.
I'm saying? He's
Right.
always seeing above the numbers. So
Right,
can
sir.
we continue? Yes or no, Asta?
Yes, clear, sir.
So one question.
Yes, please.
Sir, here we have written maybe with capital expenditure. So as a finance manager, should we talk about maybe with for our company? Is that okay to write in the answer?
No problem, because here we are very much doing an analysis, right? It's not a justification. So it's better to use the term maybe, so that they will again be able to evaluate. They are just asking you a consultation, right? Now, for example, when you ask me SIMA is easy or ACCA is easy or CFA, I say maybe, it depends. You get what I'm saying. I can't generally say that is easy, this is easy. You get what I'm saying there, Shreya. So it's generally the maybe factor is better, because here we are not having sufficient evidences to say this or that. Are you clear with that?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so the gross profit, so I can say the present we may have a reduction. The present we may have a reduction. We may have a reduction. But in the future, if we diversify or focus on diversify to engineering sets, or if we focus on character toys, if we focus on character toys, there is high potential, there is high potential that in the long run this can change. However, if we are focusing on, if we are focusing on the basics toys, we may lose more market share as well. Are you clear with that, Asta? Yes or no?
So the crux of this is to do a customer segmentation, identify high contribution generating products and focus on that, because your easily available products will have competition whether now or in future.
Agree.
So that should be the
That should
crux
be,
or
that's the outcome of the analysis. So
Okay.
that's what I'm making it very simple for them to understand, because it's when the people are developing, when all are developing the same product, what ultimately happens is other people will copy that. You get what I'm saying there?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So
Yes.
later it will become a bigger failure. Now, if you generally observe, if you see like Netflix, Amazon Prime, after that you have so many, right? I think Sony has also started their streaming app. So many things are coming. So Netflix should definitely focus on complete differentiation. Agree or not agree, Asta? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So
Right.
that's the ultimate goal here, segmentation. And now selling and distribution students, again, there's a decrease by 40%. And if you observe here, the delivery also, the delivery has increased or reduced. In other words, the delivery, in other words, now the wastage earlier was 2.5 and now it's 1%. But the delivery also, if you observe from 6%, it has come down to how much? 3%, right? So delivery is the speed of delivery. Earlier it was 6%, which is very good. Okay, but now it is 3%. You get what I'm saying, Nasta? Now the speed of delivery is your own assumption. How did you observe delivery here? What was your delivery understanding?
So delivery in terms of quantity, like
Okay, you are thinking in the point of quantity.
Quantity, yeah.
Okay, so here students, the delivery has reduced. So it's clearly mentioned that students, that the basic toys is going down because excessive competition in the market. Agree or not agree, Asta? Yes or no? Anyone
Yes, sir.
can develop a basic toy. So excessive competition is going in the market. And now if you see model toy and character toys, if you observe, still our character toys are less consumed. It's a niche segment, right? And if you see model is also somewhat, it's an average niche. So anyway, the delivery must go down, and I generally feel the reduction in the delivery is good. But my only question is why they did not spend on marketing did they mention anything related to the marketing expenses?
So
No, right? So I can say distribution reducing makes sense. But what about marketing? Did anyone raise that question? So that is the point of view I am thinking here. So I can say here, since the basic brick demand are reducing, the delivery is also reducing. It's also reducing. However, we need to be concerned whether there is sufficient funds allocated to the marketing budget, to the what budget? Marketing budget. Agree or not agree, Asta? Yes or no? Sufficient fund allocated to what budget? Marketing budget. Are you clear with the point what I'm mentioning there, Asta? Yes
So
or no?
I'm little confused here because I just have one question. In the pre-scene, somewhere they had mentioned that the product is introduced in the market quietly and it is removed from the market also. So they
Correct. So
don't spend a lot on
I
marketing.
observed that here they are telling that marketing specifically for the basic bricks and the model toys. But if you see character toys, Asta, I don't know if you watch cartoons, character toys have still marketing to be done. You get what I'm saying?
Right.
Because still the marketing is there, because that original marketing what they have mentioned in the pre-scene data is generally for the basic brick and model toys. No need excessive marketing. But now if you see our character toys are dominating, for character toys we need to do marketing. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Understood.
Yes or no?
So,
So
okay.
can I just mention here, so the marketing strategy needs to be revised. Marketing strategy needs to be revised. Since we are now focusing on character toys. What toys we are focusing on? Character toys. So we need to spend during cartoon commercials. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? During cartoon commercials. Further, these all are my points. You can think in your own. Further, we can also pay to YouTube Kids. Have you heard about YouTube Kids by any
Yes,
chance?
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
YouTube Kids, where the ads can be generated. This is extremely important now, Asta, because for the basic brick, it will go silently and come out. No need to do huge marketing. But for this, it's compulsory. Are you getting the point there, students? Yes or no? Now coming to the administration cost, Asta. So I generally feel that yes,
So
please.
one question here. So in setting distribution, as we have mentioned, the marketing strategy needs to be revised. Can we mention Mary Chilma needs to revise the strategy as she's the marketing director?
That can be revised. That can be done. But the only thing is, if you observe, we have written so many things. You are correct. I don't say wrong. It's optional. If you want, you can write it. But the main thing is, Shreya, is you need to be concentrated on the futuristic point of view. You get what I'm saying? Futuristic. All these are past data. You should give solution. Now, I'll tell you one thing, Asta. In my university, I think you have been to university, right, Asta? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Now,
Yes,
university, everyday problem will happen. Agree or not agree, Asta? Yes or no?
Yes,
You won't
sir.
believe me, in university, the most difficult stakeholder is the teachers, not the students. Students are the most easiest stakeholder. If we say to sit, they will sit. If we stand to stand, they will stand. But teachers are the most difficult one. So only one sentence I ask, what can we do in the future? Subject close. So students, just remember one thing, next. What is next? What is next? All these are past. Administration, I can generally say, this is really an increase which needs to be justified, now I'm just talking here because now Mayor Chilima all are falling under administration. Can you tell them your salaries are very, very high? Guntaka is earning so much of money. Your salary all must go down. Then they will say you go out of the company. You get what I'm saying. So a very difficult section is administration cost because our director's salary is also falling under the administration cost.
Cost
So how you
cutting and
can manage?
layoff.
No, you can't say them. You need to lay off Mayor Chilima and bring someone else. You can't do that. Or you can't say, Indra, no, you should resign from the organization. Now it's my time to take over the finance director post. If you say like that, they will not keep you in the organization. So I'm just asking from your students, so how are you going to handle this 125% increase? This is generally given in order to improve your common sense and people skills. Arvind, how are you going to address this 125% increase? But you can't blame the management.
Sir,
Yes, Shreya.
so as mentioned about that, we have done the capital investments in the new machineries. So here the depreciation also falls in admin costs, right?
No, depreciation in the UK terms falls on the cost of sales, Asta.
Okay.
Factory depreciation.
Okay.
So that is the question. Kitis, can you tell me a good answer for the administration cost increase?
The only fact that I can think is that business process re-engineering, what we say that I think I wrote in my answer also. What's that? Cost cutting strategy.
Okay, the cost cutting strategy, finance lease for major building. Okay.
How about overheads and bonuses and
corporate governance? No one was mentioning corporate governance. Do we have corporate governance at the moment in Triblox? Why are you not thinking, students? Why are you not thinking? Can you please write down, please? We have non-executive directors, but do we have committees?
No, sir, we don't have.
Then you need to specify corporate governance should be inculcated.
Remuneration committee.
Yes, corporate governance needs to be inculcated. So please be careful, students. It's very, very important. Corporate governance. Shreya, are you there by any chance? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Shreya, no excuse for you. You know corporate governance, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why didn't you think corporate governance?
Sir, didn't click.
Didn't click. Okay.
So actually I wrote in my answer that depreciation falls under admin costs.
No, now here, Asta, we are living. Here, Shreya, we are living in 2020. Now you are hereafter no more cost accountant. You are a strategic accountant. You get what I'm saying?
Yes,
you need
sir.
to handle people who are senior than you. You need to handle a lot of people. People have management. Why doesn't it click, sir? They're asking. Lol. One thing I can say is it doesn't click because the issue is you are saying this like an exam. I'm seeing this like a finance manager. You get the point, students, because people who are working, Asta, you know, right? If you don't work properly, they will put you out. Agree or not agree? Yes or no, Asta?
Yes,
Correct me if I'm wrong. But when doing this mock, have you ever thought like that? If I don't do the mock properly, I will be fired from Triblox. Have you ever thought in that aspect?
No, sir.
Attitude wise, no,
Just
right?
that
Students?
you want to score right
Score
and
the
pass.
marks, score the marks, score the marks. If you think like that, students, it will be very difficult, students, and you will get pressurized in the examination also. So here, students coming, this is really an increase which needs to be justified. Therefore, I'll write down here, students. Therefore, I can generally say the company needs to evaluate the corporate governance, because we do not have corporate governance, but corporate governance is a very important to the organization. Agree or not agree? Since a remuneration committee needs to be set up. Agree or not agree? A remuneration committee needs to be set up in order to analyze the remunerations for each of the key managerial personnel. Remuneration for each of the key managerial personnel. Are you understanding what I'm saying there, Asta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I even in my practical life, I have come to this situation on doing administration. There were corruptions in the universities. Okay, so I clearly told the management, first I put myself, let's have an internal audit for me, and then let's have an internal audit for him, and then slowly I came to the top guy, let's have for him also. Then that guy, nothing happened to his brain, but directly if I say this guy is coming in a Rolls Royce, so what's how you get what I'm saying, Asta? So
Right, sir.
there should be a proper way of communication. Are you clear what I'm saying there? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so set up in order to analyze the remuneration for each of the key managerial personnel. Further, we need to comply. We need to comply with veranda stock market rules. Agree or not agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In order to protect the shareholders, wealth, in order to protect the shareholders wealth. Are you clear with this, Asta? Yes or no? Make
Yes, sir.
sense
So
or doesn't make?
can I
Yes,
ask you
please.
one more question? This is
Yes.
one part of it, and we are focusing because our major investment is in managerial human resource, obviously because they form a big chunk of the com cost. But knowing the fact that we also have 150 people in our design team, when we are on only because basic and model bricks do not require a lot of designing. They have a set template and they are done on bulk production, but character toys needs a little bit of specification and
Correct.
customization.
But if you observe, those jobs are generally, I can say, variable. You get what I'm saying.
Okay.
Now, these are fixed. You got the point what I'm saying. Now,
Right.
if you see, those costs can be absorbed to the direct cost of the product. Now, administration costs are not direct cost to the
Yeah,
product. These
management
are
cost.
managerial expenses. So
Right.
here, I generally feel the reason why the admin costs are going up is corporate governance. I'll highlight that also. You get what I'm
Okay.
saying. Now,
Okay.
corporate governance is compulsory in the UK, US. Mainly is their stock market is regulated very, very well. You get what I'm saying, Asta? Yes
Right,
or
sir.
no?
Can I add small point here?
Yes, please, Kitis.
Yeah. Shouldn't we mention something about lean management here?
Where about?
I mean, in the administration part.
How?
What you said is yeah, correct. I mean, I
Lean
understand.
management, how you're going to connect inside? Lean management.
That's where the production and the admin part is also somewhat connected to it.
No,
Where
there is
we
lean manufacturing. I'll just share what I know. You correct me later. So lean manufacturing is connected only. That means you connect the process very well. Packaging, distribution, all will be line by line rather than one by one. So Kit is now coming here. Lean manufacturing or lean management can come into the stage of cost of sales. But the only question mark we have is Kit is now our basic blocks products are going really, really down. You get what I'm saying, Kitty. So time waste on spending time on that, on too much. So character, actually it needs a lot of cost involved. So at this point of view, lean management will not be so much suited here because we are going into the next potential where our competitor has gone to international manufacturing, outsourcing manufacturing. Is that fine, Kitty?
understand, sir. Yes, yes. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong. Yes, correct.
Okay, so students, customer satisfaction, can we come to the point, students, customer satisfaction? So if you observe, the overall satisfaction is presented. Agree or not agree, Asta? Yes or no? The
Yes,
overall
sir.
satisfaction is presented. And we are not aware for which product segment, As per the financial data, it may be due to character toys. What do you think, Asta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now Asta, I'll come to the next question. Now if you see Lego is there, they are
Yes,
not,
sir.
they won't involve in the basic bricks, right? They may have basic brick, Lego basic
Right.
bricks are there, but it's only for very rich people, very rich people. You get what I'm saying? But if
Right,
you
sir.
generally see a normal parent, they won't go for Lego for basic.
Right, sir.
They'll go for normal only. Clear, right? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
As per financial data, it may be due to character toys. It may be due to character toys. Further, we need to verify whether it is whether it is a global index or specified region. Global index or what? Specified region. You get what I'm saying? Here they have not mentioned it's a global or a specified region, right? Yes or no, Asta? Because we do have 110. Now again, students, don't waste time. We have 110. Already they know we have 110. So don't waste their time. Fine, yes or no? Wastage, so I can generally say the wastage has reduced. So I can say the internal manufacturing process would have reduced because the basic blocks consume more ABS plastic. Agree or not agree, Asta? Yes or no? Because
Yes, sir.
plastic during the injection molding. Agree or not agree? Yes or no? So I
Yes,
think
sir.
there may be a minimization of that also, minimization of that demand factor also. So I am now doing this in a different way. Now you may think in the cost of sales, this guy was saying like we have invested in something new, but here he's going it into the another aspect. The main reason I'm doing it like this is, Asta, I don't want to duplicate my point once again there. You get what I'm saying, Asta? Yes or
Right,
no?
sir. Right, sir.
Then delivery, student. So if you observe the delivery, I can say the basic blocks may take more delivery compared with the other product ranges. Agree, no, Asta? Yes or no? Therefore, at present, the deliveries have reduced. The deliveries have reduced. That is one more thing. And just I'm briefing it down. Machine breakdown, I can say lack of production will have lack of machine breakdown, because when you have excess production, high machine breakdown, lack of machine breakdown. So just I'm summarizing this because we have analyzed that in detail. And health and safety also, the drop in the production has caused less health and safety. Just summarizing, students, you all got the analysis right, how to do it. So Asta, coming
Yes,
down
sir.
to the performance appraisal, because I think we have gone through that. So can we just go through the performance appraisal? Yes or no, Asta?
Yes, sir.
Agree. So I can say the administration costs, the administration expenses can be monitored with proper targets, rather than just increasing the cost. So just again summarizing, manufacturing cost can be monitored. Further, the factory employees and the designers can be monitored on how they are producing the goods, and innovation can be articulated. Delivery cost can be monitored. So in that I can generally mention further the kilometers per region and the time and efficiency can be monitored. Just summarizing this, students, efficiency can be monitored. Health and safety, just coming down. Good working environment, can be developed in the region of our factory premises. Just summarizing, students. Goal congruence for these employees, I can mention the staffs may have a common goal. So they will be increasing the production. Performance target, in that I can say the performance target may have good motivation and a challenge to the employees. Efficiency level, in that I'm going to write down the level of performance efficiency may increase when we reward based on output. Motivation and job security. Employees will be satisfied since they know how to manage the job. Position. And coming here, actions to manage confrontation. Since the performance appraisal is new, the remuneration committee needs to be set up. And proper guidance should be provided formally. Further, the basic values of PRI-BLOCS can be used in conversation where the minimum wage policy will not be affected. Students, I just summarized these points. I made it little shorter, but my major focus here was this financial analysis. You get what I'm saying, Asta? Yes or no? Because
Yes, sir.
I generally wanted my students here not to do a one-way analysis. I want you to do a 365 degrees analysis. You get what I'm saying there? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so students, now I'll just ask you all, any question, Asta, you have?
So I have a
So,
question.
Yes, Shruti.
So when change management question was mentioned, part was mentioned in the question. So my thinking went for that.
Theory side.
but in the question itself, it was mentioned that Constro is opting for an overseas production, and
No,
that part was mentioned. So
no.
yes, it was mentioned in the top.
For our
And
company only, we are focusing on the resistance, not for the Constro. Constro was mentioned in the
yes,
top part regarding the financial impact only. But if you observe, the next area was not relating to the financial impact. It was a general observation, Shruti. Is that clear what I'm saying there?
okay, so I went for that.
No, no, no,
The
no, no,
reason
no.
I thought maybe the revenue decreased, that would have impacted employees thinking that
No,
company is
no, no,
suffering
no.
losses.
That's wrong. That's wrong. Is that clear, Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So I'll ask students question. Asta, any questions?
Sir, I just wanted to ask you 2 points. Okay. One was relating to revenue, and we focused here in this particular question on product segmentation and customer segmentation, basically. So, since we know our products are very easily can be duplicated in the market. So, and there is also when you shared the core activities, there was something relating to digital and technological advancement. So I'm thinking from Priblock's perspective, can toy industry is a big industry, and then we have our gaming industry also. So can there be a possibility wherein we put in a suggestion saying that the bricks or character toys that we are building can be replicated in form of a technological or a game, and
No,
it can be
because
sold as a product?
you are having an issue here. Because now if you see the toy industry is just for the brain development, and
Okay.
it's tangible. Feelings are there. You can touch
Right.
it. You get what I'm saying.
Right,
So
because our
comparing,
focus is on educational perspective
correct.
and for
Now
children.
Coca-Cola can't compare their drink with Carlsberg. You get what I'm saying.
Right,
Now here, if you observe, this toy is a different toy. But if you see the virtual, in other words, online games are completely
right,
different. You get what I'm saying.
correct. Okay. And my second question was relating to indirect competitors. Right now, we are just focusing on competitors like Constro who are also in block building business. But there could be other competitors who do a similar. So they also have a building kit model, but they are not using bricks. They are using some other things.
Okay.
So
No, that can
that
all be
could
done. That can all come. But the thing is, here, what is the relevance for that question to this requirement?
No, I'm just thinking from revenue. This was very specific, but when we are, I'm just saying from Priblock's perspective, and
No,
if we
that
had
can,
to,
no, anything can come. Asta. Even a diversification also can come. So
okay,
it's how you are keeping your mind presence in the exams are only important.
okay, okay. And so one last question. Okay, so that's about it. Okay,
Last
clear.
question.
No, sir, it's okay. I just had relating to our past mock, wherein since we mentioned here, YouTubers and we can uh, ask them to promote our character toys or something like that.
That we mentioned, no, YouTube kids, we
Yes,
can.
sir. Yes, sir. So my earlier when we were doing this uh, the analysis of our presence or reply to the social media, we had mentioned that we don't have a website, but in our pre-scene it is seen that in their marketing they don't do a lot of marketing because customers generally go on the company's website and browse and see what are the new products.
Okay.
So there was this one point, so I was confused on that also. So we are
No, you need to
assuming
be
that
very, you need to be very futuristic, Asta. These all are past. In future,
okay,
we can do anything we want. You get what
okay,
I'm saying?
okay, clear.
Clear, right? So I'll
Yes,
come
sir.
to Arvind. Any questions, Arvind?
No, Nufel, yeah, it's clear. Understood.
Thanks. Uh, Meryl,
No, sir.
thank you. Mr. Kashif,
So everything is clear, and with the cost of sale, actually, the point that you have raised, investment in the production machinery or support and maintenance, I have never thought about that, to be honest. So it's a very good point.
corporate governance, did you think, Kashif?
Yeah, absolutely. Corporate governance as well. And you are absolutely right. In UK, this is one of the key focus as well. So absolutely. Very good point, I must say.
No, you were able to think, I'm asking. Were you able to click
No,
that?
no.
No,
During the
no.
exam, no, not at all. No.
No. Okay. Thanks. Kitties, any questions?
No, Mr. Fail, no.
Thank you. Kathy, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Kin, any questions? Kofi, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Revati, any questions? Lakshman, any questions? Rikas, any questions?
No, Mr. Fail. No.
Shahira, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Shreya, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Shruti, any questions? Uzama, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So students, I will send you the other mock also, but now the mocks are very difficult portions. So no excuse, students. If you get low marks, don't ever get disappointed. It's not about getting marks in the exam. Like Asta, don't focus on marks. You get what I'm saying. Agree
Yes,
or
sir.
not agree. Focus on corrections, like Revati was telling. That should be your strategy here. You get what I'm saying. Don't
Yes,
think
sir.
why I got 10 marks. No, be inspired with the other person. Now I am inspired by Osama in our class because Osama worked very, very hard. Asta. Day by day, he worked hard and improved. So when a teacher, when I'm observing his performance, I'm happy. Likewise, you will also do very, very well. But the thing is, improve the correction. You get what I'm saying? So
Yes,
today
sir.
also, I will send you all 2 mock students. I'll send it in another 15 minutes. 2 mocks, mock number 13 and 14, and for 1.5 hours. Okay, so students, we will meet up on the Thursday class. Thank you very much, students.
Can I make a small request, Mr. Nufail?
Yes,
Sir,
please.
one request by me too.
Yes, Mr. Kittis.
First, let me throw it out this to benefit of other students as well. Now, can we do a mock with some extra time? First, we'll get in this structuring part properly, because I think most of the people having, I mean, including myself, having the issue of the time pressure. So we just flip through and go quickly. So we miss out certain things, certain important things. Now, for example, what you mentioned in this class, this session also, can we have some buffer time for at least one mock for us to have a kind of a comfort in our
No comfort zone. Completely zero comfort zone, because we have our huge past candidates also in our class. Kittis, I'm very serious, because we have Kashifal who has already done. Because I still am little against that request. Nothing related to that, because the more and more you get into the difficulty, then only you will realize the easy. But these mocks are very tough, Mr. Kittis. Did you observe that? It's above the exam standard requirement.
I do understand, yes. Yes, thanks.
Thanks. Usama, you were asking something. Kindly increase the time by 9 p.m. instead of 5 p.m. Didn't understand, Usama.
Sir, the submission time.
Submission time. Okay,
Yes.
Osama, I will update it. So at least you send it in the evening time. Thank you. So thank you very much, students. It will become difficult now from onwards. So don't worry. Let's get used to the difficulties. So thank
So
you very
we will
much.
not be doing the 12th mock.
If we do the 12th mock, we will end up tomorrow morning. So we will continue the mock in the next. So I think most of you all have to office tomorrow. So I will continue. Shreya, so don't worry. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank
So
you.
can I also submit like by 9?
Why,
Yes,
Meryl?
please
You
give
have the
us.
capacity, right? No? Okay, no problem. You can submit by 9. So anyway, I will mark early morning. No, so that's fine, students.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.